There is nothing worse than being 2 hours into a 6-hour road trip and realizing your cruise control has decided to quit on you. If you have scanned your car and pulled a P0575 code, that is exactly what is happening. This code stands for Cruise Control Input Circuit Malfunction. Basically, your car's computer, the ECM, is saying it is not receiving a clear signal from the buttons you are pressing. It is usually not an engine emergency, so you can keep driving safely, but it is definitely annoying. The most common culprit here is actually simpler than you think. Have you, or maybe the previous owner, ever spilled coffee or soda on the steering wheel buttons? That sticky residue can short out the tiny contacts inside the switch, causing the voltage signal to go haywire. Another common issue is the clock spring, which is that ribbon of wire inside the steering wheel that lets the buttons stay connected while you turn the wheel. If that wears out, the connection breaks. To troubleshoot this, start with the easy stuff. Check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the cruise system. If those are good, you will need a multimeter. You can test the switch itself to see if the resistance values change when you press the buttons. If the numbers don't match what the manual says, the switch is toast. However, if the switch is fine, you might be looking at a wiring break between the steering column and the computer. Just be very careful if you are working around the steering wheel because of the airbag system. If you're not comfortable messing with airbag components, checking the fuses and the buttons is a great start, but leave the internal steering column work to a pro. Fixing this is usually just a matter of swapping out a dirty switch or a bad connector, and you'll be back to comfortable highway cruising in no time.